everybody, welcome to the Chainsaw Channel. My name is Aaron, and today is a very exciting day. Something came in the mail today. This box came in the mail today, and I am super excited to open it up. Well, I already did open it up, but I'm super excited to show you what is in the box. Alright, let's not waste any time here, let's just dive right into it. So, the first thing that came into the box is a big black bag, and I'm going to save the best for last, so I'm going to show you what's in this after. Secondly, Petzl ZigZag. So, I was told by quite a few arborists and YouTube videos that a mechanical extender would save your life and it would change your life. So I was like, you know what? I'm tired of this eye-to-eye tightening up, and I'm fighting it and I'm readjusting it and all this. So I'm like, I'm gonna get a Petzl ZigZag. Alright, so the black bag. I have been so excited for this. I've been so excited for this. Can you guess what it is? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, put your guess in the comments. Let's see. Oh, yes. Did you guess right? It's pretty hard to guess what's in a black bag. You can't see what's inside. So, this, if you don't know what this is debatably the best saddle harness that you can buy on the market. A Teufelberger Tree Motion OG, I believe it is. This saddle is an amazing saddle. It's amazingly designed. So anyway, why don't we get a closer look at this? A little closer camera action. So this Petzl ZigZag is solid, it is sturdy, and I can see why people like these so much, because like I would trust my life with this thing. Now this is the Petzl ZigZag Pro, I believe. Plus, not Pro. So the difference between this one is that this one has a swivel on the bottom, which I wanted the swivel because then it's a little extra. Actually, I think it's cheaper, but the swivel will just change so much. It'll allow for a better range of movement, and it'll be a lot nicer to work with. The other one just has 3 holes, 1, 2, and a hole down here versus the swivel. I am going to get my rope, and let's put the rope through here. So I can put as much weight on that as I want. That's gonna catch. But as soon as I push down on this, see, that comes down and it goes up and it catches, right? But I got my weight on it and I'm just pushing down nicely. So this seems like a really good piece of equipment, and I'm definitely going to enjoy using this. Maybe you're deciding what sort of mechanical ascender you want to go with. There are quite a few others. So this is the Petzl ZigZag. If you're looking at a mechanical ascender, you could look at the spider jack, I think it's a notch akimbo. And no, it's not a knot. Maybe it is. I'm not sure, but it's a spider jack, an akimbo, and the Petzl ZigZag, and there's a few more others out there. So anyway, I'm gonna be using this in the future for sure, and I'm gonna be taking some videos up in the trees while I do my tree work up there. So you can tune in for those videos, stick around for those videos, I guess I'll say. So anyway, let's move on to this. Okay, so the Teufelberger Tree Motion OG. This is an excellent looking saddle. The padding, you've got lots of padding. Like, this is very nice padding in here. I haven't even used it in the tree yet, so it's gonna take some time to break this bad boy in. As you can see, it's still got the folds and everything from being in the box. You have so much adjustment. You've got an adjustment here. You've got an adjustment here on the legs, right next to your leg clips. And same thing on the other side, right? Try to show you that there. These clips are so solid. They got to sort of be pushed in a little bit to come out. You have your waist clip. So there's a little sleeve around this actually. So you can just sort of push that back, clip that in. That's your main sleeve. On the back you have so much room for customization with clips and with your tools and chainsaw lanyards and hangers and everything. You have two adjustments here. I'm not totally sure what those are for. They might provide a little bit of slack for anything you're putting in there, or even the back. You got two clips here, and this is interesting. This is the first saddle I've seen that has a clip for your back. It says on this warning here, it says use on working platform. So you're probably going to want to be standing on a solid platform, and if you can't reach something because your rope is in your way, which is rare, you can clip this on your back. Yeah, so this is a great saddle. So I just wanted to do this unboxing video, but I'm going to compare this saddle versus my $50 saddle. I'm going to try them on. I'm going to talk about the differences. I'm going to talk about the maneuverability. Check out that video. I will post that video tomorrow. So if you're watching this video today when it is posted, that video won't be coming until tomorrow. So anyway, thank you for watching the Chainsaw channel. Have a wonderful day. Peace out.